All right, guys, welcome back to Buckeye Grow Academy. I'm Mark. Today we're going to make brownies. We'll make that out of the can of butter we made a couple of weeks ago. All right. It's a pretty simple box recipe. We'll get this mixed up, and then I'll show you how much can of butter to add to it. All right. This recipe calls for a third cup, I believe, of cold water. Fourth cup of cold water, excuse me. 1/4 cup of cold water. Hope you guys have been having some good holidays. Went to Rick's mom's for Thanksgiving. I'm not sure what we're doing for Christmas just yet. Okay. And we need a third cup of our oil. I made extra as usual so I can make other recipes. Guys, stick around because we're going to have some good recipes coming up. And I promise you won't have to watch me decarbonate any more cannabis. I'm sure you guys know how to do that now. The butter and the coconut oil. We're going to be making some candies and all sorts of goodies with it. Hopefully you guys will be joining us for it. That said, a couple weeks ago we gained a few more subscribers, so we thank you guys. Trying to get up to that monetization level, hopefully. We can start to make a little money on this channel. All right, once we get this stirred up, we're going to put it into a 9-inch baking dish. Just bake it to the directions on your box. Whatever it says, oil mixture, add that much of the cannabis oil, or if you're using the coconut oil, you can obviously make it with coconut oil or cannabis butter. We need 1 egg. Almost forgot the egg. We can't forget that. Thankfully, we still have one left after all these holidays going on. All right, we're going to get this mixed up and put in the pan. Now follow directions on your box as far as how long to bake it for. Doesn't say whether to grease the pan or not, so I'm not going to. Once I get this in the pan and in the oven, we'll come back when it comes out of the oven. We'll be right back for you. All right, guys, I read down and it did say to grease the bottom of the pan. So make sure you read all of your instructions on your box. That would have been a burnt brownies. Alrighty, we'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Well, as you can see, it turned out pretty good. I'll let you know how well they work in the next video. We'll get this posted tonight. Man, I can't wait to try these. All right, guys, we'll see you in a couple of weeks.